Russia's intel and reconnaissance has been lacking since the start of the conflict, resulting in less destroyed Ukrainian systems. But some radars like the Supark and the even newer Yastreb-AV system are meant to detect and locate artillery, mortar and MLRS fire. These are expensive systems which can give you a much better intel of the battlefield from the ground. But as Russia struggles to take down Ukraine's surveillance drones, these can find and send back coordinates for a HIMARS strike. While MLRS rockets have a longer range than the radar, it's not much it can do once it detects the incoming missile that will hit its location, since the window is way too narrow to move, leaving the MLRS rocket to airburst almost perfectly over the system, sending fragments and heat, destroying the system beyond repair, destroying Russia's newest counter-battery radar, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.